you recurring monthly income, loyal families that stay for years, easy sales to schools and tutors, a real sellable digital business, which means a real income stream for you. But here's the problem. To build a real learning game platform the old way, you usually have to spend a fortune. $5,000 to $15,000 just to develop the games, $2,000 to $8,000 for kid-friendly design, $1,000 plus per month for hosting and maintenance. And it never stops. Every new game, every update, more coders, more money, more waiting. So even though the market is booming, actually launching a platform becomes impossible for most people. That's why we built something different. Something smarter, something simpler, something that does all the heavy lifting for you. Introducing AI Kids Learning Game Builder, the world's first AI that builds brands and runs a complete kids learning gaming platform for you. That gives you 40+ ready-to-launch educational games AI that builds brand new games automatically, full branding, payments, and dashboards built in, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another app. This is your complete kids learning platform in a box. Here's what happens after you activate it. You log in. You add your name, your logo, your colors. You pick your games: math, words, puzzles, science, IQ, history. Or let the AI build brand new ones for you. And instantly, you've got a full branded learning platform ready to launch games, payments, parent logins, progress dashboards, done for you. Which means no coding, no designers, no development team, no monthly fees. Just a real platform ready to earn. And here's where it gets even better. Your platform doesn't just look professional, it's built to make you money. Built for recurring parent subscriptions, school and tutoring center licenses, selling branded platforms to other businesses. So you don't just launch faster, you earn smarter, more income, more loyalty, more growth. And the kids, they'll love it. Every game is colorful, fun, and kid-safe. Age-smart difficulty keeps every child challenged. Learning feels like play. So kids keep coming back, and parents keep paying. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No tech skills needed. No coding, no design, no complicated setup. If you can click, you can launch your platform. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to build a platform like this, you'd be paying developers thousands and hosting fees every single month. But today, you don't have to. With AI Kids Learning Game Builder, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate it once, and the platform is yours forever. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, launch it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So, now the decision is yours. Do you keep watching the education boom from the sidelines? Or do you launch your own kids' learning platform house and own a slice of it? If you're ready to, launch 40+ educational games instantly. Build recurring income from parents and schools. Replace $20,000 developer costs. Scale a real digital business and finally cash in on the EdTech boom. Then click the button below. Activate AI Kids Learning Game Builder and launch the most powerful kids learning platform available today. No coding, no subscriptions, no stress. Just a profitable learning platform working for you. Your move starts now.